Hello dear friends, I am Priya Malhotra and today I tell you about 20 amazing facts about Belize. Let's start now. 20 amazing facts about Belize. Belize Fact 1. Belize is the only Central American country where English is the official language. Apart from English, there are many recognized regional languages: Creole, Spanish, Garifing, and Mayan. Belize Fact 2. September 10th in Belize is celebrated as the National Day or St. George's Day. On this day in 1798, Spanish forces were repelled by the British in the Battle of St. George's Caye, with no reported casualties on either side. Belize Fact 3. Belize has a private enterprise economy that is largely dependent on agriculture, agro-based industry and merchandising. However, tourism and construction and the recent discovery of oil field have presented new prospects for the country. The estimated GDP of the country is $1.354 billion and the major trading partners are the United States of America, Mexico, Central America and the European Union. Belize Fact 4. Belize obtained its independence from the United Kingdom on September 21, 1981. George Cadley Price was the first Prime Minister of Belize and he served from the 12th of September 1981 to the 17th of December 1984. Belize Fact 5. The currency of Belize is Belize dollar and its ISO 3166 code is BZ. Since 1978, the official value is pegged at 2 Belize dollars equals $1. Belize Fact 6. Belmopan is the capital of Belize and its name derives from the union of two words, Belize and Mopan, after the devastating Hurricane Hattie destroyed the former capital, Belize City. In 1961, the government was shifted to Belmopan in 1970. Belize Fact 7. Belize has the only jaguar reserve in the world, which is known as Coxcomb Basin Wildlife Sanctuary. Belize Fact 8. The islands in Belize are called Cays, pronounced keys, and total around 450 including those on the outer atolls. Belize Fact 9. Belize has around 900 Maya temple sites. Belize Fact 10. The largest city of Belize is located at the mouth of the river Belize River and is known as Belize City. It has an estimated population of 79,600 and is the main port and the industrial hub of the country. It was discovered in the mid-17th century by British lumber harvesters and was the capital of British Honduras. Belize Fact 11. The total land area of Belize is 8,867 square miles or 22,700 square kilometers. The country's greatest length, north to south, is 170 miles, 274 kilometers, and its greatest width, east to west, is 68 miles, 109 kilometers. Using an offshore territorial limit of 20 kilometers, the country covers 46,620 square kilometers, 18,000 square miles, of which only 49% is land. Belize Fact 12. Belize is in the Central Standard Time Zone and does not observe daylight saving time. Belize Fact 13. Belize is subtropical, with a mean annual temperature of 80 OF. Belize Fact 14. The first people to inhabit Belize were the Maya around 1500 BCE as shown in archaeological records. They established a number of settlements such as Caracol, Lamane and Lubantun. Belize Fact 15. Belize's black howler monkeys are one of the top 10 loudest animals in the world. Belize Fact 16. Some of the exotic names for Belize's natural wonders include the owl-eye butterfly, the blue morpho butterfly, the swallow-tail cattle heart butterfly, the peanut-head lantern bug, the red-footed booby bird, the lady of the night orchid and the false vampire bat. Belize Fact 17. Close to 1 million tourists visit Belize annually, of which 70% of are Americans. Belize Fact 18. Belize is one of the least populated countries in the world. Belize Fact 19. Ambergris Caye, which is 25 miles long, is Belize's largest and most developed island. Belize Fact 20. More than 400 species of fish live in the waters of Belize's 185-mile-long barrier reef. Thanks for watching.